Welcome to 2024 Ravenel, located right here in Swansea, just off Frank Scott Parkway. This is a prime villa community in a great location. One of my favorite things about this villa is this community is truly a community. We see neighbors walking up and down the streets all the time, and they have card games at the community clubhouse, and they really do have some fun together. Are you ready to see the inside? Come on inside, let's give you a tour. When you first enter, I want you to notice two things. One, this beautiful flooring throughout the whole main space. And two, the upgraded light fixtures you will find throughout the entire property. So come on this way. You're going to find a guest bedroom and a full bathroom right here in the front. This is a really nice sized room, ceiling fan, big windows, and a big closet. And then right around the corner is the full bath, and then you'll notice too, they have the upgraded fixtures in all of the bathrooms and kitchen. As we make our way into the main space, I want to point out a few more of the features that we have here with the vaulted ceilings, the gas fireplace, this nice open family room, and I love the staircase over here with the wrought iron spindles and the matching wood banisters. And then when you come around the corner to the kitchen, you are going to fall in love with this beautiful open space, white cabinets, crown molding. I love this tile backsplash and the granite that matches all of the hard surfaces throughout the entire home. Not to mention we have extra lighting in both of these rooms, and then you have this huge space here for a formal dining room. If this isn't enough space, wait till you see this area where we have a screened-in porch where if you entertain, more flex space, or if you just want to sit out here and enjoy your coffee. Plus, there is a concrete patio overlooking your backyard. So if you love to entertain or just want to have your entire family sit around this island, it is a huge space that you can work on. Plus, there's extra counter space on both sides of the stove and over here. Not to mention all the cabinets upper and lower have the soft close feature on them. Now let's check out my second favorite feature, which is this primary suite. Not only do you have the extended bay area, sitting area over here, and this beautiful coffered ceiling, it's a nice large space, but wait till you see this ensuite. This is amazing. So we have a double vanity here with extra space, plus this amazing walk-in shower that has all the features in it. So added grab bars, plus you have the wand and all of these nice features and a sink. Right here off of the garage, you will find this huge laundry room, which has a nice sink, tile floors, and an extra storage closet. Wait till you see this finished lower level. This is by far one of my favorite features of this home. You're not even going to believe you're in the basement when you have all this extra lighting coming in from not only one, but two egress windows. You are going to love the space down here, whether you entertain or just want to have a movie night. This beautiful bar with a full fridge is open to the family room, and I love this tile floor in this huge area with lots of seating. Come on in the third bedroom, where you will find the second egress window down here. It is a good sized room for guests, or if you need a third bedroom. Don't forget, we have a third full bath right here off of this space. even though you have over 3,200 finished square feet, still leaves you plenty of room for storage, including a lined cedar closet. This versatile space is great to set up as a dining space, an office, or if you have games, foosball table, anything like that, or even a poker table. Thank you for going on our tour of 2024 Ravenel. There are so many features, we don't want you to forget about any of them. So shoot us a message and we'd love to share that list with you. Or if you'd like to see the inside for yourself, give us a call. We can schedule a tour.